Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to set up mail forwarding in Outlook so your emails automatically get sent to another address. First, go to your inbox and click the Home tab. Then, click Rules and choose Manage Rules and Alerts. A Rules and Alerts window opens. Now, click New Rule. Under Start from a Blank Rule, select Apply Rule on Messages I Receive. Click Next. Now Outlook asks which messages to forward. If you want to forward all emails, do not check anything. Just click Next. Outlook shows a warning about applying this to all messages. Click Yes. Next, under Actions, check Forward it to people or public group. Then, click the blue link that says People or Public Group. An address window opens. Type the email address you want to forward messages to. Click OK. Now, click Next. Here you can add exceptions, like not forwarding certain emails. If you don't need exceptions, click Next. Now, give your rule a name. Something like Forward All Emails. Make sure Turn on this rule is checked. Click Finish. Then click OK again. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.